Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy, Chennai 71. Today we are going to study again the Fourier series problem. So, third problem, find the Fourier series for f of x is equal to x square in the interval minus pi to plus pi. So, you have to see the limit, the interval is very important, minus pi to plus pi, and deduce. Subdivision 1 is pi square divided by 12, which is equal to 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus etc. Subdivision 2, pi square divided by 6 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square plus etc. Subdivision 3 is pi square by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 7 square plus etc. So these three deduce, we have to prove it. First you have to find A naught, An, Bn. But here we have to check if the limit is minus pi to plus pi, minus L to plus L, minus 3 to plus 3, minus 1 to plus 1. So both values will be same, but one will be negative, another will be positive. Minus pi to plus pi. In that time, you can verify the given function is even or odd. So how to verify? I'll explain you. Answer is given function f of x is equal to x square. The interval is minus pi to plus pi. Then only, if the interval is minus pi to plus pi, minus 3 to plus 3, minus L to plus L, minus 1 to plus 1, then only we can find the given function is either even or odd, or neither even nor odd. Okay. Otherwise, we cannot find. Okay. So the rule is f of minus x, which is equal to plus f of x. F of minus x, which is equal to plus f of x. That is even function. F of x value is given, which is equal to x square. For x, you have to apply minus x. So left hand side, f of minus x, which is equal to, for x, if you are applying minus x whole square will be plus x square. Minus x into minus x will be plus x square. X square means that is f of x. So f of minus x is equal to plus f of x. This is even function. Even function means directly you can write Bn is equal to 0. No need to find the value of Bn. Directly you can write Bn is equal to 0. So therefore, the Fourier series f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx, because Bn is 0. A0 is equal to, the formula will be different, 2 divided by pi, not 1 by pi. 2 divided by pi, integral over the limit 0 to pi f of x dx, which is equal to 2 divided by pi, integral over the limit 0 to pi x square dx, which is equal to 2 divided by pi, x square if we are integrating, x cube by 3, the limit is 0 to pi, which is equal to 2 divided by pi. For x, you have to apply upper limit pi. So pi cube divided by 3 minus lower limit 0, 0. So 2 divided by pi, pi cube divided by 3. Pi cube divided by pi will be pi square. So 2 pi square divided by 3, which is equal to a0. Next, you have to find an value. An is equal to, the formula is 2 divided by pi, not 1 by pi. Even function as well as odd function, you have to write 2 divided by pi, integral over the limit 0 to pi, f of x cos nx dx, which is equal to 2 divided by pi, integral over the limit 0 to pi, x square, f of x is x square, cos nx dx. Now there are two terms, we have to use the Bernoulli's formula, u is equal to x square. We can use the Bernoulli's formula because x square is polynomial. So u is equal to x square, v is equal to cos nx, u dash is equal to 2x, u double dash is equal to differentiation 2, u triple dash is equal to 0, v is equal to cos nx, V1 is equal to integrating cos nx, you will get sin nx by n. Integrating sin nx by n, you will get minus cos nx by n square. V3 is equal to minus sin nx by n cube. So apply in the formula, Bernoulli's formula, an is equal to 2 divided by pi integral 2 divided by pi into uv1 x square sin nx by n minus formula minus u dash v2 plus 2x into minus cos nx by n square plus u double dash v3 plus 2 into minus sin nx by n cube. Limit is 0 to pi. So for x you have to apply pi value 2 divided by pi. For x pi square sin n pi by n plus minus minus plus 2 pi cos n pi by n square minus 2 sin n pi divided by n cube. If you apply the lower limit, each term will become 0. Sin n pi 0, I have strike out. So last term sin n pi divided by n cube, that is also 0. So middle term will be 2 divided by pi, 2 pi cos n pi by n square. What is cos n pi? Minus 1 power n. If n is odd, minus 1 you can write. If n is even, plus 1 you can write. But in general, 4 divided by n square, pi divided by pi cancelled. 2 2s are 4. 4 cos n pi is equal to minus 1 power n divided by n square. So 4 divided by n square minus 1 power n, that is an. Then the Fourier series f of x is equal to a0 by 2. A0 is 2 pi square by 3 divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity 4 divided by n square minus 1 power n cos nx. 4 divided by n square minus 1 power n cos nx. Here is, so x square, f of x equal to x square, which is equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square minus 1 power n cos nx. Take this equation number 1. Now we are going to deduce 3 subdivisions. Deduce 1 by taking x equal to 0. Why I am taking x equal to 0? Because cos 0 will become 1. That's why I am taking x equal to 0, or else I have to take x equal to pi. We cannot take x equal to pi by 2 because cos pi by 2 will become as 0. So therefore, taking x equal to 0. So where is x? You have to apply 0. 0, which is equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square minus 1 power n cos 0. Cos 0 is also 1. So pi square by 3 right hand side is, it is the right hand side. If it goes to left hand side, minus pi square by 3, which is equal to 4 summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n divided by n square minus pi square divided by 3 into 4. This 4 you have to write as in the numerator, denominator, not numerator, denominator, which is equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 power n divided by n square. So minus pi square by 12. So for n you have to apply 1 to infinity minus 1 power 1 divided by 1 square plus minus 1 square divided by 2 square plus minus 1 cube divided by 3 square plus minus 1 power 4 divided by 4 square plus etc. So minus pi square by 12 is equal to minus 1 power 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 1 square. Minus 1 square will become plus 1 divided by 2 square. Minus 1 cube will become minus 1 divided by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square minus 1 by 5 square plus etc. So minus pi square by 12 is equal to minus of 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus etc. This left hand side is also minus, right hand side is also minus a common. So both will cancel, both will be cancelled. So pi square by 12 is equal to 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 5 square plus etc. Take this equation number 2. Next, deduce 2 by taking x equal to pi in equation number 1. For x, you have to apply pi. Pi square is equal to pi square by 3 plus 4 summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square minus 1 power n cos n pi. What is cos n pi? Minus 1 power n. In the next step, I am writing right hand side is pi square by 3. If it goes to left hand side, pi square minus pi square by 3, which is equal to 4. Summation n equal to 1 to infinity. 1 divided by n square minus 1 power n. Cos n pi also minus 1 power n. If bases are equal, you can add the power. Minus 1 power n into minus 1 power n will become as minus 1 power 2n. Pi square minus pi square by 3 left hand side, it will become 2 pi square by 3, which is equal to 4. Summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square minus 1 power 2n. So 2 pi square divided by 3 into 4. The 4 will go to denominator 3 into 4, which is equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n square minus 1 power 2n. Now you have to expand it. 2 pi square divided by 12. So 2 divided by 12 will be 6. So pi square divided by 6. 1 by 6. So pi square divided by 6, which is equal to, for n you have to apply 1 to infinity. 1 by 1 square minus 1 square plus 1 by 2 square minus 1 power 2n. N is equal to 2 means 4 plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 power 6 plus 1 by 4 square minus 1 power 8 plus etc. So pi square by 6 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 5 square plus etc. Take this equation number 3. Add 2 and 3. You will get left hand side is pi square by 2, 12 plus pi square by 6. Right hand side is, what is right hand side? You have to write as it is. There will be minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square cancel. Minus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 4 square cancel. Even numbers will be cancelled. Odd number, there are 2 times. So that's why pi square plus 2 pi square, if we are taking LCM left hand side, pi square plus 2 pi square divided by 12, which is equal to 2 times of 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 7 square plus etc. So 3 pi square divided by 12 into 2, which is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 7 square plus etc. So 3 divided by 12 will be 1 by 4. So pi square divided by 8. 4 2s are 8. Pi square divided by 8 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 7 square plus etc. Take this equation number 4. So we have deduced, we have got the result of 3 subdivisions.